Hi, my name is Jill Hart, and I'd like to share with you about my ultimate guide to Pinterest pinning, where the strategy involves just 15 minutes of your day. You have a product that you want to sell, and you know Pinterest is the place for getting traffic, but no matter what you try, nothing seems to work. Expensive tools, endless pinning, pin exchanges. Yep, that was me too. Endless treadmill of pinning, lots of expensive tools, anything to get pins to my traffic. And then, after many high-ticket coaching programs, I had an epiphany. Pinterest shouldn't be hard. It should be fun, not time-consuming, and getting traffic should be easy. You know, like pouring traffic on your products. And implementing strategies shouldn't cause your account to get banned, suck up your life, and cost you a small fortune. Because I genuinely like to help people, want you to succeed, and understand where you are struggling, mostly because I've been there myself. So why don't you take advantage of my many years of experience studying most up-to-date information on Pinterest from large agencies, helping dozens of clients get results, and years of pinning on Pinterest for my own blogs, websites, and stores. This is all-inclusive. Everything you need right here at your fingertips. Step-by-step instructions, worksheets for tracking and planning, and follow-along video tutorial training. Is it expensive? Nope. No more than a trip through the fast food lane with the kids. All you need to do is order, follow the step-by-step directions, and start pinning with confidence. If you're the kind of person who really wants to make Pinterest send you hungry buyers, get this training now. Because as we all know, everything is going up all the time, and I really want you to get the best price. I look forward to seeing you on the inside.